If you're a fan of Akki Roti, then I would definitely recommend you trying this Karnataka-style Masala Akki Roti, for which in a blender you need to just grind some basic masala, for which in a blender add in onions. Then I'm adding in curry leaves, green chilies and coriander leaves. Don't add any kind of water, just give 1 to 3 pulse. We need a coarse paste like this, not a smooth paste, keep in mind. Once you make that coarse paste, keep it aside. Now in a mixing bowl, I'm adding rice flour. Once you add the rice flour, next I'm adding in cumin seeds. This gives a great flavor to our akki roti. Now I'm adding in salt to taste. Now there are different variations which we make akki roti. This is one of the variant which I make. Now I've added in grated carrots. Once you add in the grated carrots, add in the masala paste which we made, the coarse paste of onions, chilies and all of that. Now I've added in clean, washed and chopped methi leaves. Now if there are people in your house who don't like veggies, just add it and make akki roti like this. Everybody will love it and it goes inside. It's very healthy as well. Now don't add any kind of water, just combine all the ingredients really very well and gradually add in a little bit of water and slowly make it into a dough, like how you make your chapati or paratha dough. That's the way you need to make it. Knead it so that it's beautifully, because kneading is very much important. That is when the akki roti turns out to be soft. Once the dough is completely done, add a little bit of oil and just mix it really very well and let the dough rest for at least 10 minutes. Cover it and keep it aside. Now it's been 10 minutes since the dough has rested. Now I'll just roll it into small balls like this. Just press it in between like this, and then you can take sheets like this and then tap it into thin akki roti like this. Now I've greased my hand with oil, and then you need to just keep on tapping. If you make it thin, that is when if it's thick, it doesn't turns out to be good. Just tap it as thin as possible in the sheet and then add it to a hot pan. Flip it on both the sides really very well till the akki roti is nicely cooked. Now you would be wondering from where I got that sheet. Whenever I go to India, I make it a point to carry that kind of sheet. It doesn't burn when you add it to the pan. So that's the beauty of that sheet. If you have banana leaves, please go ahead and you can use banana leaves and make your akki rotis. Some people use the milk covers and make it as well, completely your choice. So that sheets are easily available in any kind of general stores in Bangalore or in any other places as well. So just keep it handy whenever you want to make akki roti. It comes handy. So look at my akki rotis. It's cooked really very well. This kind of golden crispy edges we need, and that's it. Your super tasty akki roti is ready. Perfect for your lunch, dinner, breakfast, or even when you're traveling. Serve it with a chutney of your choice, and that's it. Everybody will love it. And see, look at this. I'm plating it, and then look, it's very soft, very smooth. I'm tearing it. See, it's not hard at all. And as I said, please note measurement and ingredients are on screen. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.